Right, another short video discussing about bench power supply. Okay, so what do I have here? It's produced by circuitspecialist.eu. There is a circuit specialist in UK. The model number is CSI 305T. Okay, why do I recommend this power supply over many other power supplies? I have a GW Instec power supply which is worth about £1,000, and I've got another power supply which is made by, let me just have a look, Skytronic model 650.685. Okay. First of all is that you want something that's easy to use, very quick to use. Okay, so this is where this knob comes into context basically. Whereas with the GW Instec, which is £1,000, it's a digital power, so the buttons, everything's digital on it. And there's a lot of faffing around. Whereas this, I mean, you want to change the current, click on it, current set to 4, whack it up to 5. Okay, you want to drop it down, keep on pressing, and the units will go down and it'll come back to where you started from, and you can change the values. So there you go, you can change the values and things like that. Okay, so I'll drop it down to 2 amp. Okay, then this knob is, you click again and you can change the voltage up and down, whatever it goes up to. This particular model, let me sort of round it off to 0, 0. Okay, it goes up to what voltage does it go? Let's have a look. I think it's 32 volt. Yeah, 32 volt, 5 amp. Let's just sort of clarify that. Yes, so 5 amp. That's the maximum rating for this beast, basically. Inexpensive, very user friendly. Also, that this tend to sort of which this Skytronic power supply doesn't do that, is show how much amp the system's drawing. Or say you're charging a battery, it'll show you quite nicely, you know, the amp drawn, and then eventually when the battery's fully charged, it'll come up to kind of 0. So let me grab something that I can maybe demonstrate in terms of charging. So let's show this. Let's charge this phone basically. Okay, so it's drawing 1 amp. 9 well, say 1 amp, right? Okay, if I left this running, as the battery gets filled, the amperage drops here. It's a very nice way of sort of showing that the battery's charging and the amp is sort of drawing. You know, it's like you're filling up a tank basically. You know, there's a gauge there that tells you how much that's left for the tank to be filled. So imagine this is being your gauge basically. So as it drops, that means that the battery's getting charged up near to the full basically. So any workshop, I would definitely recommend a power supply such as that. And if I was to replace a power supply, in all honesty, I would actually sort of buy something same or similar, but not going to spend silly amount of money on bench power supplies. Especially keep away from Skytronic, and I'm sorry, but I'm not slagging them off. I just found it quite awkward to use that basically. That will be on a separate video, but as for now, any mobile phone repair, laptop repair, motherboard repair, whatever it is, I think this is a pretty solid bench power supply. So I'd definitely use that. That's all. Hope you've got any questions. Put them on the comments and I'll try my best to answer them, considering that the busy schedule I have here at the workshop. Alright, all the best, take care, and I'll speak to you next time.